Sausage! Bloody hell! Look at that sausage there, man. I think you just cut across one that nearly just about to pull out, nearly got clobbered. But knee lights on his bike, it's pitch fucking black. What a sausage! On 2 wheels! Freaking hell. That's another one. That's another one from your page. He's weaving in and out, filtering in and out the traffic light.
I'll be filtering in and out the hospital in a minute.
Fucking hell. Nice one is there. What a sausage. These cyclists are on a death mission, like. These cyclists are on a death mission. Believe it or not, there's an actual bike in front of me. Another sausage on 2 wheels. Why? Anybody who gans out on bikes these days without lights, can you just tell us why? Do you not like worship your life or something? Sausage.
What's your favourite fish then?
What's my favourite? What you say?
Cheap fish. Tricky.
Oh, there's a few. I like the caramel one.
Oh yeah. I used to have the coffee one.
I like the gingerbread one as well. Nice indication. You
Not
sausage.
the coffee, that ice cold drink
Uh huh.
is what I'm on about. That then. I like the